How to speed ramp in Davinci Resolve. Let's say this is your clip that you want to speed ramp. Drag it in your timeline. Right click and click Retime controls. Now we're gonna add speed points. Speed points are the parts where the speed will change. To add the speed point, move your playhead exactly where you want the change to happen. Click this arrow down and click add speed point. In my video, I want to add speed point here, here, and here. There you go. After adding a speed point, let's adjust the speed. So here, I want to fast forward, so I'll change this speed to 800%. After that, I want a slow-mo effect, so I'll change the speed to 75%. Alright? Which works great for revealing the mountains. After that short slow-mo, I'll speed it back up to 800%. And finally, return it to its original speed by leaving it at 100%. Now let's play it back. As you can see, the speed change are pretty rough. So to make it battery smooth, you need to click this icon which opens our keyframes window. Click our clip and then you need to select all the keyframes. And then you need to change from linear to ease in and ease out. Did you notice how the lines went from straight to curve? Those curves show where the speed accelerates and deaccelerates, which makes the ramp much smoother. So if you widen these curves like that, the transition becomes even smoother. Look at that, so smooth. But there's a problem. The footage looks shaky during the fast forward parts, and in slow-mo section, it looks a little bit laggy. Probably because I encoded it at 24 frames per second. So to fix this shaky footage, you need to go to the inspector window and then look for stabilization, check the camera lap and click stabilize. Let's play it. So after stabilizing, you'll notice the shakiness has been reduced. Now let's fix the laggy slow. To fix it, you need to click our clip. Let's go to the inspector window again and under retime scaling, this is a retime process if you see it. Change the project setting to optical flow. And there you have it. A smooth cinematic speed ramp for your footage. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.